DeKalb County in north central Georgia, south central Forsyth County in north central Georgia, Cobb County in north central Georgia, Douglas County in north central Georgia, western Gwinnett County in north central Georgia, Fulton County in north central Georgia, northwestern Clayton County in north central Georgia, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Sandy Plains to Treasure Lake, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Atlanta, Marietta, Douglasville, Lawrenceville, Decatur, Peachtree Corners, City of South Fulton, Sandy Springs, Roswell, Johns Creek, Alpharetta, Smyrna, Dunwoody, East Point, Kennesaw, Duluth, Union City, Sugar Hill, Forest Park, and Snellville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664. Tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.